S-cam bushing replacement. It's got a couple of broken bolts, but the mechanic was able to get the S-cam slack adjuster off without cutting the S-cam. Now you just need to get pliers on it, put the snap ring back in place, the new outer bushing's on. And then we got the back one to do over here because it won't take grease on this side. And go around the back of the trailer here. And we're going to do the slack adjuster took grease, but the cam bushing would not. And this cam bushing would not take grease as well, only on the outside, and had broken grease fitting, so got to be replaced. All that stuff should get me up with good DOT inspection. Brake shoes and pads are in good condition. Well, here's the truck. It's clean from the outside. It's clean on the inside. I spent a day washing and waxing it all up while I was sitting here waiting for them to finish fixing the truck. And today they got a lot done on it. Comparatively, it took four guys. Two guys took the tires off, and then two other guys worked on the brakes. They got one wheel with new slack adjuster bushings and S-cam bushing on it, and then it took several hours to disassemble this slack adjuster and S-cam bushing set. But this slack adjuster is damaged, not able to replace. I'm gonna need a new one as well. They come over to the other side and the bushings are bad on that. And so they're going to take this one apart and this other one apart tomorrow, and they're expecting to have the same problem with both slack adjusters being seized to the S-cam bushings that are, or the S-cams that are worn out. And so it's got to be fixed because the bushings are causing the S-cam to wobble all over, and it's not letting the brakes adjust properly. So we're waiting on that to get fixed tomorrow before we can roll out. But the truck is clean. I went to put new ice in my cooler and drain the water out, and grabbed the handle, and my cooler broke the handle off and spilled the ice I had just put in. So luckily I bought 2 bags, but that is what that is. And there's the truck, clean from the outside. It's got some water streaks now from the rain and the dew dripping off of it in the morning, but it's still a clean truck. So that's the way it goes for today. I did get some time to work with the guys on the brakes, and at least, you know, clean up a few parts and look at some things. It was kind of a good day. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye.